Good morning, guys. Welcome back to a new video. It's a Sunday morning and I am going to my running class today because I didn't go yesterday. That's why I'm going today. I typically don't go on Sundays, but here we are. I want to show you my new shoes I got. Shout out to Lucine. Thank you so much for the discount. And then she shipped it over to me. It's the On Cloud brand. I got the Cloud Swift 3 in all black. So Christine actually got these as well. She got them a few weeks ago, but in white. And she says it's really good. And I've been wanting to try this brand too. So why not? They look like this. So sporty. Heard it's really good for running. I'm gonna try it on and go for a run today and see how it feels. Christine said it took her like a couple of days or a couple of running classes to break in. Hopefully I fit them. I'm just so used to my Nikes that I've been wearing the past 2 years. Boom, there you go. Also, I got these new compression socks from Academy. Oh, but they fit. I was getting a little nervous.
I loosened them up a little bit.
Yeah, that's what I did. It's like I'm walking on clouds.
Does it feel like that?
Yeah.
Does my sister have the same shoes or not?
So here they are. Let's go test them out today. Okay guys, I am back home. The shoes were pretty comfortable. It was a little uncomfortable, but for the most part, it feels nice. This is my first time wearing it, so that was given. But I was so proud of myself today. So we did what is called a Stride Minute Madness class. I've done it before and I died. But this time I was able to jog nonstop for 20 minutes out of the 40-minute interval that we did. I pushed myself to just jog and increase the speed every minute for 20 minutes. I'm so proud of myself, but it was a really good class. But yeah, shoes are good. I'm gonna get out of these now and make myself lunch. I am super hungry. I might just throw some shrimp dumplings from Trader Joe's on the pan and eat that for lunch, do something really quick. Okay, here's my quick lunch. These are the Thai gyozas from Trader Joe's. And I cut up some cucumbers with salt and have some chili oil on the side to dip the gyozas. And my Stanley with lemon water. I've been loving my Stanley. I drink 2 of these a day, or I try to every single day. But yes, loving it. Thank you so much, Christine, for getting it for me. Hey guys, it is now Tuesday. After the last clip, I didn't film anything. I was super exhausted from my running class, and it was just a bunch of boring things I was doing around the house, like laundry, cleaning, changing the bed sheets and whatnot. I wanted to film today because it's going to be very exciting. I'm going to see my friend Ellen. I saw her a few days ago over the weekend. We had Indian food and it was so good. I wish I filmed it, but I didn't because we haven't seen each other in a while and I just wanted to be in the moment. I wanted to be present with her and just catch up on life. And then we just went shopping a little bit at the mall afterwards. But the Indian food, I think it's my favorite place now in Dallas. Definitely going to be going back there. And the surface was amazing. It was so pretty inside and everything was just a 10 out of 10. Anyways, I'm seeing her again tonight. We're going to go to this place called MEOWWOLF. And never heard of it until she told me about it. I'm on my bed now. We're going to go to this place called MEOWWWOLF. It's like an immersive art exhibit, I believe, and they just opened up, or they recently opened up one here in the Dallas area. There's 4 locations so far, one in Santa Fe, Vegas, Denver, and now Dallas. It looks really fun from what I'm seeing online, but there's this brand that I've been following for a while on Instagram, and I could be saying it wrong, but I think this is how you pronounce it, Bandolier, and they do like crossbody, wallets, and purses, things like that. So I finally bought one because I think this would be a great thing to have when I'm out and about. You guys already know that my phone, Alexander gave me this for my birthday last year, this leather phone case with this leather magnetic wallet that goes with it. It's an Apple brand, and this holds 2 credit cards, or just any cards if you want. I do like it, but it's been a little over a year now and it is destroyed. The leather is ripping apart. Every time I drop my phone, this comes off. So every time I drop my phone, my cards will come off. So it's not really secure. And I've been wanting this crossbody phone case wallet for a while. At the crossbody iPhone wallet case. It's the Haley one, and it's the black and gold. So I have it in a package right now. I've been meaning to open it on camera for you guys so that we can both see it for the first time together, and I'll give you my thoughts on it. So let's do that. Bandolier. Hopefully I'm saying that right. I don't know if I am. Let's try this out. Let me take off my phone case first. They were having a sale when I bought mine. I think I got like 20% off. Saved me like 25 bucks. Very nice packaging. Let's open her out. That's how she looks like. Here it is. They come in different colors, and if you don't like gold, you can do black and silver. There's red, checker print. There's just so many different color options if you don't like the basic black, but I personally love black and gold, so that's what I went for. And yeah, they have different iPhone cases. Like I got the iPhone 13. So that's that. Okay, I finally put it on. That was hard. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm not gonna be taking this off anytime soon. It's really hard to take off and put on. You just put these straps on. Comes in this bag. Nice strap. Really liking it. Oh, it's very good material. I hook these on. But let's see how this looks on. Make sure I don't expose you guys. Oh wow, it is so cute, you guys. Can you guys see it? And you know, when you want to answer your phone. Hello, I can talk to you right now, I'm busy. Time to see the wallet. Another thing I like about this is because it has a closable wallet. I know for a fact that my cards won't come off or fall out. It smells really nice too. It means leather. It smells good. Oh, it's so good. And it also has enough space for cash as well. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but that little slit, you can put a few bills in here. Nice. I'm gonna use this tonight when I go see Ellen. I wanted to share that with you guys. Well, I'm gonna change here soon and get going, but I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, here's my outfit. I thought the red lip will match the red on this shirt, but it is a completely different red. That's okay. I have a mint in my mouth, by the way, so sorry about that. I'm carrying my little fanny pack I got from Target, and then here is the crossbody phone case / wallet. I am just obsessed with it. I love it so much already, and this is gonna be great for traveling. Funny thing, she told me, she's like, do you want to go to MEOWWOLF with me? And I'm like, oh my god, are you taking me to a kitty cafe? That was before I knew what it was. Here we are.
It's a home base in Chicago, Illinois.
Mm.
Yeah. We go explore. We eventually find portals to other worlds.
I'm excited. Let's go. so pretty. Look at that.
This is a pretty view, like out into the sea.
Oh yes, yes. This is so cool. With chili, con chile. Ah, I can't. Oh my god, I can't. We're going back into the going to the fridge. So cool.
Juice.
Another door.
Ready?
Yep. Let's go.
I'm lost. I'm so lost.
Oh, we're back into the house.
Oh, okay. We haven't even finished the house.
No, but we said the house for last, yeah?
Okay, we said the house for last. Okay. It's gonna lead us to everything anyway.
Yeah.
Girl, we're gonna die.
Look at that. Okay. I won't do it if you're not doing it.
Okay, we're back to under the sea. This is so cute. I like the pink one. Brighter the stars. Oh, I like that. Yeah, that's true. Girl, I don't know what that is.
It's a giraffe, but it's great. It says why. Why? Why?
I love
This
this.
fridge backpack.
Yeah, the fridge.
Oh my god, so cute.
Oh,
That was so fun. Oh my god.
We did it! We did it!
MEOWWOLF! It is now the next day. Last night with Ellen was so much fun. MEOWWOLF was an incredible experience. If you guys are in any of those 4 areas, Grapevine, Denver, Santa Fe, Las Vegas, definitely check them out because it's so cool. It's just so much detail to every little thing. It's incredible, and all the money goes back to the artists, which is a big plus. We'll love to go to the other locations because they're all different. And afterwards, we just went to go get some seafood, some raw oysters, Cajun fries, crawfish, shrimp. It was a good girls' night. I actually didn't sleep that well. I didn't get home until like 11:10 last night, and then I didn't sleep until midnight. However, I had a really early appointment today with the dealership, so I woke up at 6:15 and then head to my appointment at 7 in the morning, and I was there for 2 hours. It was just so long and boring, but I'm tired and the food wasn't really sitting well with me this morning, but I feel a lot better. Just to be safe, I did cancel my running class today because it is a Wednesday. I usually go to my running classes on Wednesday, but I canceled it because of the food last night, and then I'm also on my period, so I need some rest. Like, yeah, it's just a chill Wednesday at home with the dogs. I'm by myself, And I also need to get my nails done again. Look how much it has grown now. It's been a little over 3 weeks now, and surprisingly they have been holding on very well. They haven't been lifted or anything, and when I shower my hair doesn't get caught in the nails, which is a good sign. Sometimes my nails come off like a week and a half, it starts lifting, but I'm really shocked. It's been over 3 weeks and they're still holding on, so I might just keep them on for another week. They do look a little crazy, but that's okay. You guys know my mom does my nails anyway, so it doesn't matter. Good morning, Mega. Good morning, Mega. Good morning, Mega. Good morning, Menace. Good morning, Menace. I don't know if you guys can see his face. Good morning, Newman. Good morning, Newman. Alright guys, it's been many hours. I've just been pretty much a bum today, laying in bed all day. It's okay to have those lazy days. I did help Eric bathe Mega not too long ago, and then I showered, did my skincare, and I am gonna lay in bed and just, honestly, as bad as it sounds, just scroll through like Facebook Reels and shorts on YouTube and whatnot. But yeah, I'm going to wrap up this video now because it's getting pretty long. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I'm so close to 400, you guys. So let's get to 400 very soon. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.